Hello and welcome to the 5th day of giveaways in the Painless 360 12 Days of Christmas. Hope you're having a fantastic time through the holidays. Today's the 27th of December and this time it's for another Sonic model product. This time for yet another AR wing. Now the AR wing has probably been my single most enjoyable rewarding build that I've had through this year. It has Ardu playing on there, a Matic flight controller, and the way I've built mine is giving me hours and hours of fun and pleasure. So if you would like to have a go and follow along and build your own, or maybe you've already got another wing with some electronics that you want to put in a new chassis, then the AR wing is a great option. So if you would like to go into the draw for this prize, then as usual, like, subscribe and comment. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. And if you are already a subscriber, make sure you've got the bell notification icon turned on so you don't miss any of the results. I'll be pulling the names out the hat towards the end of the first week of January. And stay tuned, there'll be more prizes to come to finish off the 12 days of Christmas. Big thank you to Sonic Model again for providing these kits for the draw. Thanks for watching the video and watching right to the very end. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you like the video and like what I'm doing here, then hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon too. If you really like what I'm doing, you can go the extra mile and become one of my Patreons for access to me directly for support and also giveaways and regular updates too. If you're looking for particular content, then check out the playlist. I organise all of my videos into playlists, so if you're looking for a particular topic, you can find everything here. If it's called Introduction To, it's designed to start very simply and build on that simple introduction to teach you all about it. If it's called For Beginners, then that is really aimed at people who are brand new to that part of the hobby. You can also search on YouTube for anything that you're interested in using the search function at the top. So iNav Painless 360 will find all of my videos and even the playlists around iNav. So thanks again for watching and happy flying.